This is KMS. I recently ran into a situation. I'm quite sure most bikers will understand this. It's time to go for the trip. Been planning the trip for a whole year. And as the trip draws closer, people begin to drop out like flies. I had a trip planned going from Niagara Falls, Ontario, headed down to Greenville, South Carolina. Probably about 850 miles one way, so it's that 1,700 miles round trip. So maybe over that time, we probably would have did about 2,500 miles. As the time drew closer, people have dropped out. So the question is, when this happens, do you go or do you not go?